Hello, welcome back. Today I am going to share my experience how we can use Claude Code with Figma MCP server and how it can make your daily work easier. So let's see. First, if we visit Figma, you will able to see if you use Figma Pro, then you will able to see the MCP option. See here MCP you can just copy the example prompt from here. Then as a code editor I am using Visual Code. You can install extension for VS Code, Claude Code extension. This VS Code anthropic.com authorized extension. If you install this, then you can easily write your prompt on the VS Code. Then just copy the MCP command from here, and additional command you can type here. Okay, then just press enter or go. Then you will implement design as per your Figma design. So for this you must need to use Figma Pro. If you use Figma Pro, then you will able to connect with the Figma MCP server with the Claude Code. Also you can write code prompt here, and you can select your project path here, and if you like to use any code editor, then you can use the VS Code or any other code editor like Anti-Gravity or Cursor, whatever you like, but I am using this. Okay, then you can expand and open this agent panel. Here you can write your instruction and command, then it will execute and it will do your project as per your instruction. Okay, so this is the process, Claude Code with VS Code and Figma's MCP server. So thanks for watching this video.